Which one?
The M16.
Hit marker this fucking bitch.
There, he's up there.
What, on tower? Oh my god.
Ain't putting in work. Wait, what? Nice.
Woo! You are beast too, bro. Damn, I didn't think people could be this fucking good at the game.
Oh, thank God.
Give me the fifth one, baby!
What?
Keep them coming! Rishi. Much. So far, we got the spray camos. We got all of these already. They're pretty much just, you know, get the kills. You just get kills in general with the sniper. Headshots, done already. Got all of them. We got almost all of these for the 5 kills without dying. We got the geometric, which also is almost done. It's just long shots. We're almost done with that. We just need 7 more long shots. We are done. We are done with the Flora. Flora is just kills, like basically hard scoping or holding your breath when you kill somebody. So, and we're already almost done with the science. We just need 9 more kills, 1 shot, 1 kills, and we are yet to unlock the psychedelic. Of course, we unlock it at level 50 for the weapon. We are level 41, so we got a lot of time to finish these, which is about to be done. These that are about to be done, and the classics, which is everything's about to be done. So as of right now, that is the progress I got so far. I love this camo. This camo look nice, no cap. But so far, that is the progress we got right now. We will tune back in at the end of the video with how gold looks, and I'll showcase the weapon, and I'll also show you guys the class setup that has been working for me so far as of right now. I'll show that at the end of the video, so y'all stick around for that. Show y'all what I got and what I went through to get this damn gold camo, or when I get the gold camo. So hey, stay tuned, guys. Deuces. Fucking nades are here.
Securing B.
No, Rich.
Hardpoint is secure. Hardpoint identified. Male operator neutralized.
Yo, where's the 4th, man? He's right here. Oh my god.
Contesting hardpoint. We've lost the hardpoint. Hostile indicated targeting active.
I tried. I know. I'm not trying to let you down, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Get Johnny Boy in here. He loves playing OPGs.
Multiple hostile spy planes detected.
You know what? He tried to suicide bomb us. He tried to suicide. Did you see that shit? He really tried. No, dude. Please tell me it's me. It just happened. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh my god, if he would have lined up right there for the triple collab, bro.
Dude, what the fuck?
That's a rapid. Oh, okay, that's a rapid kill. Let's go.
Spy plane standing by.
Oh, good shit. I couldn't get that guy.
I'm actually still fucking going.
Oh, behind! Behind the tank.
Oh, that was gonna be another rapid kill, right?
Hardpoint lost. Losing the advantage.
Get the
Hardpoint locked down.
go home, bro. Better yet, uninstall it. I'm gonna enjoy the shit out of this game. I'm gonna try at least.
Losing Charlie.
Spy plane available for tasking.
Goddamn fucking C4. They're behind us now. Fuck.
Victory's close.
Another camo. I want to be able to stream and not have any fuck ups. There's my double kill. 360. Got him, coach. Okay. That was nice. Is that my final one? It is. It is, yep. Go to camo, let's go. Internet connection.
They have a lag switch. They have a lag switch, bro. Back up.
Yeah, hold on. Oh. You bot. Yeah, that's what you get. First one.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
There's no way. That probably would have worked, man.
Spy plane establishing perimeter angel set.
Alright, right here.
Recon strike inbound.
There's two.
Advantage above.
Let's go. Gold camo. Yes, sir. Bliss. Yes, sir. There's one. Oh, that's a hit marker. Let me get him. Alright, that's it. Alright, guys. So we finished all the psychedelics. You know the vibe. And boom. Oh, gold camo. Let's go run this shit. See how it goes. Yo, guys. This couldn't have been a better map to try this out. Look at this. Hey, look at that. So far, it was a crazy grind with the slow ass sniper ADS, but we're golden. I don't like this map too much. I wouldn't say I do, but you know, I think we're golden with this. Get it? Oh no, that should have been a collab. That would have been nice. But yeah, we're definitely golden with the sniper because it's golden. But you know the vibes. It's pretty dope. I like the camos on this game. It's not that bad.
Damn. You trying back?
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
Oh, there's an ammo depots around.
Hardpoint contested.
Go pick up ammo.
Standing by.
Contesting hardpoint.
No, I was going in on them kids, bros. Tear with the brand new camo. Not a bad way to. Hello. Not a bad way to start this one off, huh?
Contesting hard point.
Pretty great way to showcase the new camo. You know the vibes. Catch the bullet. Hit him with it then. Hit him with it then. No! Hey man, look. So far so good. Gold looks amazing. You know the vibes.
Oh, wait. Own? Oh, okay.
Yo, tell me, bro. I want to see somebody get caught off of that, bros. Bro, that shit's lit. We'll figure out if somebody get. Oh, choke that shot, but it's cool. We got him.
Oh, not at all.
Hard point locked down.
Damn it. Score 138, 116.
Expiring. We've lost the hard point.
So far we're rocking the muzzle, the stabilizer .308. Guys, this, I don't know why, but when I took it off for a split second for one game, it felt like I couldn't hit my shot. It felt really weird. So I highly recommend using this. This is very nice. It helps, like, you know, concentrate your aim a little bit more. Guys, for the barrel, I was rocking the 25 reinforced heavy, right? I was rocking this one, but I came to think this one's actually better because it adds damage and reload quickness. Also, the fire rate and velocity, you still have that, and it has a couple cons that you don't really need, but it's okay. You know, this was actually a pretty good barrel, so I suggest putting this one on. I got for the body, I put steady aim laser. As you guys saw in the game, right, I use the steady aim laser because there's time where you don't have time to quick scope. You don't have time to scope in and catch the guy. You just got to catch him by surprise with a no scope, and no scopes are kind of hard to hit sometimes. I threw the laser on because it helps. You know, it helps with the no scope, and it's pretty dope. Hip fire accuracy 30%, so why not, right? And if you guys do not want to use the laser, and if you guys want to see your enemies a little bit better, I suggest using this one, the Tiger Team Spotlight. Basically what this does, it just shows like a big red dot on top of your enemy's head whenever you scope in, so it makes it easier to see your enemy. But aside from that, I just use steady aim laser. It just feels right to me. Oh, and also, by the way, for the barrel, in case you didn't see, it brings down one bullet. So if you have 5 mag, if you're just using speed reloader for your magazines, right? If you're using this, you only get 5 bullets in the mag. With that barrel, it will shorten your ammo, and then it will shorten the amount of bullets you have in your sniper. So that's why I rock the 7 round. I don't want to put any of this because it messes with nothing but ADS. Like it decreases your ADS big time, so I wouldn't mess with none of that. Right now, for the video, I use the SASR Jungle Grip. And that's because I didn't have this unlocked. Well, I did have it for this video, but I just forgot to put it on. But I suggest putting this one on. And to counter cons, which is the shooting movement speed and the sprint to fire time, I suggest taking off. I don't even know if the muzzle will be good enough, but I suggest either taking off the muzzle or the laser, right? Taking off the muzzle of the laser and then going over here to stock and using Raider Pad because it literally counters the cons from the other ones. Basically even it out and you get a little bit faster ADS in the process. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is probably the class setup I'm gonna rock anyways right now for the meantime. So we got the Pellington already. Next we're gonna do the LW3 Tundra, and then after that we're gonna get the M82. So guys, stick around. After the snipers, after I get them diamond out, you know, glossy, you guys let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll definitely make sure to drop comment with the most likes. I will do that gun next. So please subscribe if you're brand new, leave a like on the video if you enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Deuces.